That's the old one?
Yeah.
Yeah. There it is. It's a little bit worn out. Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it doesn't sit. Was it always like that?
It wasn't. I've tried tightening it. I've pulled it all apart, and it's just bad.
The lever is just moving.
But it's been. I've cleaned it and greased it all the time, and it gets dirty, and nothing's sort of helped it.
Nothing helped.
Not enough. It's just the design, is it?
Want to shift? Looks good, Alex. Once more. Here you are. You hit the file. No, it is. Sometimes this is different. Yeah, look, this is a little bit. It has two sides, you see? Now it's a little bit lower.
Yeah, fraction. And then this one.
So you have to check which side you put
mark
on.
one side or something. And
A gearbox selector from GR Automation. That is definitely way better than the original ones. So it was sponsored. Thank you very much, guys. It's for Brett and Margaret, the Australians, on their Vespa World Tour. We service the engine in Vienna. Let's see how it works. This is neutral, so if you pull the clutch, there's nothing going on here. First gear, second gear, third gear, and we have the fourth gear. Second gear, that was neutral before, idiot. Third gear, fourth. 3, 2, neutral, and first. What they strengthened, this is welded. The shaft here is has a screw at the bottom with the lever, and yeah, better fixed the lever. And the small roll here, that has the hook in here, sits precisely where it should be. I really like that. That's a good one. Worth every cent.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?